Yelang V5.1 dive watch honest review. Real proof it delivers at 300 meters.
You glance down at your wrist underwater and cannot read a single marker. Total darkness, total stress. Sound familiar? Most dive watches promise visibility and quietly fail the moment the lights disappear. Type me if you have been there. Here is what nobody tells you up front. The watch on your wrist should work harder than you do. So why is yours still letting you down? That suffocating feeling of reaching for your wrist in low light and seeing nothing readable? That is not bad luck. That is a bad watch. Every missed marker, every squinted second, every uncertain depth check chips away at your confidence underwater. But here is the quiet promise. There's a version of this where your watch does exactly what it should, every single time, without question. Then I strapped on the Yelang V5.1 men's watch 44mm super dive 300 meters professional waterproof SW220 movement luxury automatic mechanical watch for men, and everything shifted immediately. Don't just pick any dive watch. Make sure it has T100 tritium gas tube illumination, so you never experience that suffocating blind panic in dark water ever again. Here is what that actually means in real life. Tritium tubes glow continuously for years without needing any light source to charge them. No pre-dive sunbathing required. The SW220 automatic movement, a 26 joule caliber running at 28,800 beats per hour, keeps time with the quiet confidence of Swiss engineering. The 316L stainless steel case and bracelet handle saltwater environments without flinching. At 300 meters water resistance with a screw-down crown and helium escape valve, this watch goes deeper than most recreational divers ever will. One owner nearly missed logging a decompression stop during a night dive until the T100 markers cut through the darkness like signal flares. Clear, instant, reliable. Drop a 1 below if Tritium Lume just changed how you think about dive watches. Here is how the real-world benefit chain actually plays out. Continuous tritium illumination means zero pre-dive prep stress, which sharpens underwater focus, which improves situational awareness, which keeps you safer and more confident at depth. That is not a marketing chain. That is the logical sequence owners report repeatedly. A respected watch community analyst on Watch You Seek noted that the Swiss SW220 movement inside the V5.1 is comparable to the ETA 2836 used by established luxury brands, calling the combination of Swiss movement and T100 tritium nearly impossible to find at this price point. An influencer who tested the watch confirmed the seconds hand hits the markers dead on and praised the bezel action as impressively precise. One long-term owner with 2 Yelang tritium models simply said they are bright, bulletproof, and the movement keeps good time. Personal observation? The screw-down crown operates with a buttery smoothness that feels more expensive than it has any right to. Worried about brand recognition compared to Swiss heritage names? Fair concern. But the V5.1 carries a 2-year warranty, surgical-grade materials, and verified Swiss movement internals. The specs do not lie. Which result matters most to you right now? Comment 1 for lume performance, 2 for movement accuracy, or 3 for dive durability. Join the ones who already know that a watch built for 300 meters of serious depth does not need a famous logo to earn your trust. The Yelang V5.1 men's watch, 44mm super dive 300 meters professional waterproof SW220 movement luxury automatic mechanical watch for men, delivers tritium visibility, Swiss movement precision, and saltwater ready construction in one confident package. My affiliate link is sitting in the description and pinned in the comments. Just click and take a proper look for yourself. You have earned a watch that actually works.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.